So this is a basic trick for remembering all the trigonometric functions values for value of theta ranging from 0 degree to 90 degree. So this is not going to be a memorization or cramming lesson. It is a basic trick जिससे आपको सारी वैल्यूज़ ऑन टिप्स हो सकती हैं आपको सिंपली इस ट्रिक को आपको समझना है. So first of all, what I will do is I'm gonna write the values of I'm gonna write all the trigonometric functions along the y-axis here, like sine, then cos, sine theta, cosine theta, then tangent theta, then cosecant theta, then secant theta, and cotangent theta. So I hope you know all the abbreviations that tangent is abbreviated as tan, cosecant as cosec, secant as sec, cotangent as cot, etc. And now on the x-axis I'm gonna plot the values of theta like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree respectively. So here I write this 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and one more column here for 90 degree. Now the trick starts now. What you need to do is to find the values of sine function at different values of theta, simply write down all the numbers ranging from 0 to 4 in front of sine, like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Done. Now whatever numbers you have written from 0 to 4, divide all of them by 4. Divide all of them by 4. So you get 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Okay. Now whatever the result comes of all these divisions, first of all let's write these results. 0 by 4 is basically 0, 1 by 4 is simply 1 by 4, 2 by 4 comes out to be 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 is 1. Now in divisions का ये जो result आया है, we need to find the under root of these results. I hope you are aware of the concept of under root. So like at sine 0 degree the division is coming to be 0. Now as we know the under root of 0 is always 0. So let me tell you that the under roots of the results of these divisions would be the values of sine function for all these different angles, which means sine 0 degree would be equal to the under root of 0, which comes out to be 0, which means the value of sine function at 0 degree is 0. Now let's come to sine 30 degree. Now for 30 degree the division which came was 1 by 4. Taking its under root we get 1 by 2, as the under root of 4 is 2. So this means the value of sine at 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. Now sine 45 degree. The division for 45 degree is 1 by 2. Taking its under root we get 1 by under root of 2. That means the value of sine at 45 degree is 1 by under root of 2. Similarly for 60 degree the under root which we get is 3 by under root 2, as the under root of 4 is 2. Under root basically means the square root and is represented by this symbol. So value of sine function at 60 degree, here these degrees are the value of theta. So which means sine theta, where theta equals 60 degree, the value is 3 by under root 2. Now for sine 90 degree the division was 1, and we know simply the square root of 1 is 1. So that means the value of sine at 90 degree is 1. So in this way you can remember the values of sine function ranging from theta from 0 degree to 90 degree. Now once you have got this concept, the value of sine theta, उसके आगे cos, tan, cosecant, secant एंड cot, इन सब की वैल्यूज़ अपने आप आ जाएंगी. उनके लिए कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़नी, बस साइन के लिए आप ये लर्न कर लो ये ट्रिक. अब एक स्टेटमेंट आपको लर्न रखनी है जिससे आपके पास cos थीटा की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. अब क्या स्टेटमेंट है, एक मिनट बताता हूँ. वो स्टेटमेंट है दैट cos एंड साइन आर ऑल्टरनेटिव. cos एंड साइन आर ऑल्टरनेटिव. अब ये भी एक ट्रिक वाली स्टेटमेंट है. इसमें हो सकता है मैथमेटिकली मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ या कुछ और हो, बट ये ट्रिक के लिए है. अब आपको पता है ऑल्टरनेट का क्या मतलब होता है, एक तरह का कि एक के बाद एक आना. इसको अगर मैं समझाऊँ तो ये समझ लो, कॉज तुम्हें साइन की वैल्यू पता चल गई. टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉज, नाउ यू सिंपली नीड टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, टू क्रॉस फिल द वैल्यूज़. Cross fill the values of sine and you will get the values of cos. For example, the first value of theta is 0 degree and the last value of theta is 90 degree. So the last value of cos theta would be equal to the first value of sine theta. That's what I mean by saying that cos and sine are alternative. So which means sine 0 degree would be equal to cos 90 degree. That means sine 0 degree that means cos 90 degree comes out to be 0, and similarly cos 0 degree would be equal to sine 90 degree, and cos 0 degree comes out to be 1. So in the same way, cos 60 degree would be equal to sine 30 degree, alternative. So cos 60 degree equals 1 by 2, and alternatively we get cos 30 degree equals 3 by under root of 2. Now you would be asking, at 45 degree there's no alternative left, so what do I do? So simply put whatever the value is, simply put it down, which means the value of sine function and cos function become equal to each other when the value of theta is 45 degree. It's also an important theoretical point which can be learnt. So sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree both are 1 by under root of 2. Now to find the value of tangent theta, you simply remember one formula which would be applicable to all the questions of trigonometry that you solve. This tangent theta is always equal to sine theta divided by cos theta, which means dividing the value of sine and cos function for a particular same value of theta, you would get the value of tan function for that same value of theta. Taking an example, now let's say I need to find the value of tan 0 degree. So what will I do? I'll simply divide the value of sine 0 degree with the value of cos 0 degree. Now as we learnt, sine 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. So 0 by 1 comes out to be 0. That means tan 0 degree is basically 0. In the same way, let's find out tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree would be equal to value of sine at 90 degree by value of cos at 90 degree. Sine value at 90 degree is 1. Value of cos at 90 degree is 0, and 1 by 0. You know, when we divide any number, any quantity by 0, the answer would be infinity, which is shown by this symbol. That means the value of tangent theta at 90 degree comes out to be infinity. Now for the values of sine, cos and tan, now to fill the values of tan here in this table, I give it to you as a kind of a homework, as I have basically told you the concept. Now it's a homework to fill all the values of tan from 0 degree to 90 degree. I hope you got to understand this, and similarly I would be sending you some tricks to remember the periodic table.